How to save WhatsApp one-time emails on Android. Watch the video till the end to know if you are able to save WhatsApp one-time emails on Android or not. For that, you have to first of all open WhatsApp application and then locate the chat where you have got the one-time emails on your Android device. So as you can see, I already have got one and I already have opened it. And let me share you one information that one-time images are those images which can be viewed for once only, and due to the WhatsApp restriction, you are not able to share, forward, copy, save it, or even take a screenshot. So any video that you have watched and they have said that turn on the airplane mode and take a screenshot, but it's not possible. So due to the privacy concerns, we are not able to save WhatsApp one-time emails even though we turn on airplane modes and try taking a screenshot, or even if there is any video that is of one time, then we are not able to screenshot screen record those video. So WhatsApp does not gives us permission to save WhatsApp one-time images or video on Android or maybe iPhone also. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment below. Subscribe our channel if you are new so that you won't miss any updates from our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.